Lift Every Voice and Sing was written as a poem by James Weldon Johnson in 1900 and gained widespread recognition through black schools, churches, and civil rights organizations. And by 1919, the NAACP had declared it the Black National Anthem.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Yet still I rise, never to give up, never to give in against all odds.
No is an existential threat. No is an existential threat. No is an existential threat.
So you just stand here, breaking barriers because they said you couldn't. Now you bossed up and strong, black girl, ready for the world, flexing your bonnet because you sensitive about your wig. Brown boy with them twist pin, it took that style a minute, but it's the roots for me, with your fine self.
Remember that you are a descendant of greatness and that you are standing on the shoulders of your ancestors. We did not start in the United States. We have thousands of years of majesty and greatness and royalty. And I want you all to understand who you are so you can have a much stronger idea of where you're going and what it is that you're capable of.